Welcome. What I'm going to do in this PowerPoint slide is tell you about the requirements for homework number 2, which is creating a relational database in Microsoft Access. I'm not going to go into relational database theory since you can go ahead and do that on your own by reading through the PowerPoints and reading the textbook. In this homework, you're going to see that there are 7 exhibits. The first 3 exhibits are for background information, and so that is the database design that I did for you. The last 4 exhibits, the Microsoft Access tables, the relationship diagram, the example reports, and the example query, all 4 of those things are requirements of the database. And so you'll be turning in a database with the tables, the relationship diagram, the example reports, and the example query. So that's your task here. What we are looking at here is a database of a marina, and the marina rents slips to boat owners for the boating season. And what I have right here in Exhibit 1 is an explanation of the database cardinalities and relationships. This is an explanation of the relationships between the various database tables. The next exhibit is called the entity relationship diagram, and it basically shows you the entities that are going to be in the database and the relationship between the entities. In this particular case, we're going to have a table for the sale, a table for received cash, a table for the docs, and a table for the cash. And we're going to have a customer table and an employee table. And of course, the sale table will be connected to the customer table and the employee table. Sale table will be connected to the received cash table, so on and so forth. How they're connected is explained by the cardinalities, and I'll let you figure out what a cardinality is for homework. I'm just going to explain what is required in this homework. The next exhibit is the partial data dictionary. And so your task is to use the items in the data dictionary to create database tables, So you're going to create a sale table, and in the sale table there's going to be a column for sale number, date of sale, time of sale, total amount, customer number, employee number. And this goes on for 7 tables. And basically a database is going to have a table for every entity in the ER diagram, in the entity relationship diagram, plus a table for every many-to-many relationship, which there's only 1. So this relationship is going to have 7 tables: inventory, cash, sale, received cash, customer, employee, and the inventory/sale table. Okay, after you create the tables, you will populate the tables with data by typing in the data into the tables that you've created. After you've created the tables and populated them with data, your next step is to go ahead and create the MS Access relationship diagram. After you create the diagram and enforce referential integrity, then you're ready to start writing reports and queries. So there'll be 2 reports. First one will be employee sales. The second one will be sales by inventory item. And then last but not least, there'll be a query where you calculate the possible revenue if all of the docs were rented for the season. And so those are the requirements of the homework. Good luck. May the force be with you.